this video, I will show you how to buy XRP Ripple on Phantom Wallet. The first thing you should do is click on Receive. After that, different cryptocurrencies will appear, but click on the button to the right of the Ethereum crypto to copy the address. Then, we go to the Binance application. When we are inside the Binance app, we click below where it says Assets. Then, click on Spot, and then on Withdraw. Once this is done, what we should do is click above in the search engine and look for the XRP cryptocurrency. Click on the first option that appears. After that, two options will appear, but click on the first option, which is Send via Crypto Network. After this, we will have to fill in all the information that the Binance app asks for. In the first box, we will have to paste the Ethereum wallet address that we just copied from Phantom Wallet. Then, for the network, we choose Ethereum ERC20. And finally, enter the amount of money. And that's all. Subscribe. It's free.